Welcome to Sleeper Barbecue. We have a quick one this morning. Had to roast up a bunch of poblanos so I can freeze them up for the winter, and got a harebrained idea. Stay tuned. You'll find out just as soon as I do. Alrighty, so we got the sausage in the pan. We're just using Jimmy Dean regular store-bought sausage, and this is an experiment, so we're going to see if it works. We'll get this sausage a little cooked up on the kettle. Alright, so as you can see, I have my poblanos all roasted up. I had a bunch of poblanos. A guy that I was working with picked the last out of his garden, and I had finally found some at a store, so I had bought some up, and now I'm just roasting them all up so that I can freeze them, because it's not something that easily around here in Southern Maryland that you can get. So we're on the kettle, and we're going to cook up some sausage. All right, so our sausage is cooking up pretty good. We're about to bring in the next ingredient here. Yeah, so I cheated. I'm pouring in some Heinz Homestyle gravy mix here onto my cooked sausage. We're going to get that going. Throw a little flour in there. I like to see it thicken up a little bit. We'll bring it right back. Alright, I did throw a little bit of flour in there, about a teaspoon. Wasn't a whole lot. So we're just about ready to wrap it up. I'm going to put a little bit of this Uncle Steve's smoke bomb on here. We'll keep this near the heat, but try to get it off the heat. Throw a couple tortillas. All right, we are back. So we're going to take a couple of our roasted poblanos. Ouch, that stuff is hot. Spoon some of this sausage gravy on here on our tortilla shell. And poblano. A little bit of cheese. All right, there you have it. Sausage gravy, Mexican cheese on a tortilla shell on top of a poblano. Just felt like something different for breakfast this morning. So this is what I came up with. After roasting off those poblanos for freezing this morning, I said, hey, let's try something with those. You can see one has a little better picture in it, so you can see everything. There you go, let's give it a bite. Oh man, very good. Good God, excellent even. We'll bring you back here shortly. I'm sure I want y'all to watch me eat this thing, but I'm sorry, but it's very good. We'll bring you right back. So there you have it. Man, that was excellent. sorry to cut it off so quick, but it was getting cold on me and I didn't want to sit there and pig out on the camera in front of everybody. But excellent, excellent, excellent tortilla, sausage, gravy, poblano, and cheese. Breakfast tortilla. That was great. What can I say? Store-bought gravy, some Jimmy Dean regular minced sausage meat. Mixed all that together with some Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. This is the first time for me trying the smoke bomb from Uncle Steve. It's another great one. Really good stuff. I seasoned up that gravy mix with this stuff here just to sort of add a little bit of bite to it. Didn't use any salt and pepper, actually. I sort of surprised me. I forgot it, and I'm glad I did because I didn't need it. But you saw it. Toasted up with tortilla. I had my poblanos already roasted. Laid one of those poblanos down there. Topped it off with the sausage gravy. A little bit of Mexican cheese. And that was it. It was gone. This is Lance with Sleeper Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thanks for watching. We hope that you consider giving us a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to the channel. Until then, we'll see you on the next cook. Thank you.